Hello, I'm Pete Davis, Master Trainer for Powertex France. We're going to be using Universal Medium in transparent for this doily. So I'll show you how it works, and we have multiple colours in the Powertex Universal Medium. It can be used on any natural material, and there's some samples there. So we'll get started. So what you've got to do is soak the material. Soak it well, work it in. Make sure it's well worked in. Otherwise, it won't harden properly. It takes 2 or 3 days to harden. So once we've worked it all in, we shall dress this statuette with it. So make sure it's all well coated. There we go, I think we've got that pretty well. So we shall apply it. And what I'm using is an elastic band to hold it in place while it sets. That's to stop it slipping. So make sure you get it how you want it to look, and then it can be left to harden. I think that looks pretty good to me. So we'll just move the arms back down. Right, so that's finished. So we'll put it on. We've got a piece of greaseproof paper there. We'll put it on there because it won't stick to the greaseproof paper. And the only thing Universal Medium won't stick to is plastic. So if you're using plastic, you've got to make sure you put masking tape over it first and then apply. Okay, that was pretty straightforward. Hope you enjoyed the video.